Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotions. We're back here once again with a brand new video, and well, the unexpected has just happened, and that is because a brand new Mavic drone has been leaked. And in today's video, we're not only going to be sharing with you all of the images that were leaked a few hours ago, but also we're going to go ahead and analyze it and tell you what the name of this brand new drone is going to be, because this could very well be the Mavic 4, or maybe it's something completely different and unexpected. So stay tuned. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here. And you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it's the Inspire 3, which is releasing this month, or the Mini 4, and of course this brand new Mavic drone. You already know this is the place to come for all the latest updates and news. And also, if you watch this video and you're not subscribed yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which will be quite exciting. And that is because yesterday at night, an image of a very interesting looking drone was leaked. So let's go ahead and take a look at what was shared yesterday. So this is the image that was leaked yesterday night. So what we have right there is a very interesting looking drone that says Mavic 3 Pro on the arm. We have the exact same body from the Mavic 3, and then we have that lens that has three different cameras, which is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, when this image was leaked yesterday, it was a little bit blurry, and at a first glance, me personally, I thought that this was photoshopped and the possibilities of it being real were 50-50. But everything changed a few hours later, after our great friend Dill's drone, whom is a very reliable source, was able to get his hands on a brand new image of this drone that without a doubt confirmed not only its existence, but the fact that it will be releasing very soon. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at it. So allow me to introduce to you to the latest and greatest Mavic drone. So here we have it in all its glory. We have the exact same body as the Mavic 3 apparently. We could be wrong, the dimensions could be different, but at a first glance it looks to be exactly the same. We have the exact same ESCs, and let's talk about that camera. We have a brand new Hasselblad camera setup, which is absolutely crazy to see. I mean, this looks like it was just taken out from a movie. It looks really mean. So we have three different lenses, so we still don't have any idea on what any of the lenses will do. And then lastly, we have the name on the left arm, which says Mavic 3 Pro. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the latest and greatest DJI drone that should be released very soon. Now let's talk about the specs. We still don't know absolutely anything. These news are just fresh out of the oven. As we're speaking, these images were just leaked. So we really don't know anything at this point, except for the fact that how this drone is going to be looking like. We do know it's going to be having through cameras, and they're going to be powered by Hasselblad color grading, which I can promise you they're going to be doing a mind-blowing job, which I cannot wait to see what kind of results we get with this triple camera setup. But that is what just happened today. Stay tuned, because we do have the specs coming and the rest of the combos available, pricing and release it, of course. So if you want to be the first ones to know, you already know what to do. Subscribe and turn on those post notifications. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section down below. But that is going to be a wrap for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.